Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my channel, Paint with Lovejoy. Thanks so much for joining me today. In this video, I wanted to explain kind of the concept and the reason why I started this channel and the website, as well as explain the Educator Bundle. So kind of starting off with, I created the Paint with Lovejoy YouTube channel and website as my response to art being cut out of so many school programs for kids and even for adults. I got very upset when I heard that some of my students, some of their kids were going to classes, maybe had art once a month, maybe every other month, and I found that devastating. I was fortunate enough to go to a really awesome high school that had a great art program, and I know how important that is in the craziness of life. I created the channel, wanted it to be free, and I wanted to focus primarily on first-time and beginner painters. And with it being an online session, I wanted to focus on helping you guys get comfortable painting at home. And it has been very successful. I'm loving all the comments, all the feedback that I've gotten over these last couple of years, the pictures that you guys have sent, just amazing, and how many perspectives and attitudes have changed when they've realized, oh my gosh, I'm more creative than I realized. Like, I can't even begin to tell you how excited that makes me to get those emails. So to kind of continue that process and encourage more and more people to get creative, and given the current circumstances of the society and art being cut out of schools, let alone all the COVID and the pandemic and the lockdown and the isolation and basically just everything, I wanted to give educators a resource, because teachers, parents, homeschoolers, daycare professionals, childcare professionals, all of the above, you guys do way more work than anybody gives you credit for. And some of the stuff that I've had to see my friends pull out, teachers have had to do to transition to virtual and online learning, you guys are not paid enough, not nearly enough. So anything on my YouTube channel, all the YouTube videos are free to the public. You can use any video on my channel in your classroom, in your home, in your childcare facility, anywhere. Just the only thing that I ask in response to that is please send me pictures of what your students create. And then that way I'll post them to social media and then share the concept that any educator, librarian as well, I forgot to throw that in there, you're more than welcome to use the videos on the YouTube channel. All of those are free. If you would like the supplemental educator bundle package that I've put together on my Paint with Lovejoy website, that is going to be a monthly fee or a yearly fee. And I consider it a donation to help Paint with Lovejoy to continue to fund it, so I'll keep making videos. But in that, you're going to have access to my entire Traceable library, and you can print those and download them, print them, and utilize them in your classroom as many times as you want, and you can resize the Traceable. There's also going to be a more organized master list of all the videos, the colors that are used, the link to the supplies that you will need, just again to make your resource library a little bit easier and clearer to use. I will also include a lot of first-time painter information, supplies that I recommend, tool tutorial videos. You're going to have a color mixing guide in there, and over the years I will continue to add different resources to that bundle. As an educator, if you only need access to that bundle for 1 month, sign up for 1 month and then cancel your subscription. If you have a 3-month class and you need access for 2 of those 3 months, sign up for 2 months and then cancel. Like I said, the monthly fee helps continue to support me making more videos, and it's also just a nice exchange, so that way you can utilize my resources in your classroom. For some of the future videos that I will be creating, I am going to dive more into the classic paintings, way more Monet, Van Gogh, Picasso, Georgia O'Keeffe, Klimt, Kincaid was a recommendation earlier, And if you guys have specific things that you would like me to create and focus on and create a bundle, just send me an email. I will add it to my production list and try to get it out there as quickly as I can. Same, please share this resource with your entire community. Any other educator, librarian, homeschool, childcare provider has full access to be able to utilize this. So share this resource with your community. Okay, so hopefully that explained most questions. If you have any questions, just send me an email, paintwithlovejoy@gmail.com, and I'll answer whatever I can for you. So thank you again, educators out there, everything that you are doing for the kids. You are not paid enough. You are not appreciated enough. So this is my way to kind of give back to you guys as well. So have a great day. I look forward to what your community is going to be creating, and cheers. Have a good one.